All right, guys, so now we're going to connect our Google app to the Merchant Center. Very important video. I'm just going to get right into it and you'll see why this is super crucial. Okay, first thing we're going to do is we're going to log into Google or with our Google address, but this is going to be our actual Merchant Center email address that we originally signed up with. So let me go ahead and quickly do that. Okay, boom, put in the address. Okay, now we're logged in and now it's going to ask us if we can manage all of these things. Our AdWords campaigns, we are going to allow this. This is not a bad thing. This is good. Okay, we allowed it. Now we're going to look at this. So we're only going to have hopefully one drop down. Great. One drop down. This is our Merchant Center. We could double check by looking actually at the ID in the upper right, but this is 100% correct. Or I guess in the bottom left, but either way you can see it even in the URL. So this is all good. We're going to confirm our account and now they're going to verify the domain and there's going to be an error. This is good. So now we are going to go ahead and make sure we fix all of the errors. Okay, so here's the error and now I'm going to show you how we're going to fix it and what we need to do right now. We're going to click on the wrench icon, business information, and we need to actually put in our business address and all of this stuff we could actually do later. We don't need to put in our business address right now. All of this other stuff, not really that important. We need to click right here on the website and we need to enter our website URL. So this is going to be fishfinderofficial.com. So this is going to be it. Now, what it's going to actually have us do is we need to install a code. So I have access to my server. Great. Add an HTML tag to my homepage. We're going to copy this and we're going to go to our Shopify dashboard. So we're going to go right here. Now we're going to go ahead and go to our online store. Under actions, we're going to click right here and we're going to edit the code. We need to put this in the header section. So right in the header section, we want to put it really at the top. So we want to go to actually theme liquid. So right here, here's the header code right here. And it's very similar to what you guys will be seeing too. So this is awesome. And I just paste it right here and I click save. And that's it. Now, you shouldn't have any issues after that. It might just take a little while to verify. So give me a minute. I'm gonna go back to the Merchant Center and I can click verify URL. Let's see if it does it right away. Awesome. Okay, so it verified and now I have to claim it. And all I have to do is just click claim URL and I'm done. That's it. So now I'm going to go back to the error, right? That was over here where we originally found our error. We're not going to click right here and approve. We're going to scroll down and we're going to say test your domain. So now it's going to re-verify our domain. Cool. And just like that, it is verified. And so now it's verifying the shipping information and it's verified because we did that beforehand. And so now we have one product. And I wanted to do the products beforehand so that way I can actually show you guys what it looks like to sync the products. All right, so for product ID format, just choose the top option. This will just get the job done. We're gonna go ahead and click sync. It's gonna be really fast because it's only one product. And so then it'll give us a couple notifications. This is basically just saying your Merchant Center is going to take a long time to recognize this product just because every Merchant Center is literally, in the beginning, it's going to be kind of just a lengthy process. It's going to crawl the landing page, it's going to crawl the image, it's going to make sure that everything is in check, and there's going to be a handful of things that are not in check. So we can kind of go like this, and the couple things I want to go over is when we click on this product right here, I'm going to go over the main things that we need right now, and then I'm going to go over how we're going to optimize it. We are going to optimize our product title, our description, and everything else, but what we need to do first is some of the basics. So we need to actually put in some of the information like condition is new, gender. We can actually put unisex unless it's literally like women's underwear or something or just only for women. There's no real reason to just put only women. Size system, we could just put US. This is actually not important, only for usually like clothes. Size type, we don't need to put any of this. Age group. We can put adult. This is okay. This does not mean that, you know, it's only adult rated kind of stuff. That's not what it means. Now, category is extremely important as well. This this is going to take a couple tries. Now, category is important. We're going to have to kind of find the category that best fits us. So we just came across exactly what we need, the fish finder. This is pretty pretty specific. So fish finders, that's exactly us. You're not always going to see that for sure. Like it's very rare. Now, this is very important. So I never really submit it as a brand name, MPN. I just submit it as a custom product. Whenever I submit it as a custom product, it bypasses anything that's annoying up here. And that way we don't have any issues. Now, custom labels and all this stuff, this is not very important until you have 100 or 200 products like I did with the other case study store. So other than that, this is pretty good. Now, this is going to do it for this video, and now in the next video, we're going to kind of take this a step further, and I'll see